Hi, and welcome to Module 5. You are about 1 week out from the end of the course. This week we talked about pie charts and being able to implement them through Excel. You had a discussion this week, and then you are required to finish all SimNet assignments by Sunday, 11:55 p.m. Now, there are several students in the course that have not completed the SimNet assignments, and email communication and voicemails have been left for you to communicate if you have any issues with getting that completed. However, it is your responsibility to do that communication with me in order to be able to work out a game plan. Without the SimNet assignments, it's very impossible to pass the course. So you'll want to make sure that you complete all SimNet assignments as well as the presentation that will be due in week 6 on Wednesday. Now that presentation consists of at least 10 slides. And that does not include your title page or any references. And keep in mind, you would have used references to support any facts that you may have used within your presentation. You had two choices. You could choose why is healthcare the best career choice, or how does a pandemic increase healthcare awareness. You want to be as creative and professional within your presentation. Keep in mind your presentation is a PowerPoint with a video similar to what I'm doing now. It is done through Screencast-O-Matic. You will then upload the link or the file to the Dropbox that is located in week 6 under demonstrations. You also want to keep in mind that you are using the free version of Screencast-O-Matic. Do not pay for a subscription. Your computer should be able to download those so that you can be able to upload that as a presentation to view your peers, as well as submit your own so that your peers can be able to give you feedback. You want to make sure that you include in your presentations the skills that you've learned throughout PowerPoint. This includes animation, inserting clips, pictures, and most importantly, you want to dress professionally. If you want to put on scrubs, business attire, or business casual, I'm okay with that, but please do not look like you rolled out of bed. That means no ball caps, no scarves, just a professional looking attire. If you have any questions about the presentation, feel free to send an email or a text message, and I'll be able to answer those questions. You're at the home stretch, so keep pushing, and I will see, and I'm interested and excited about seeing your presentations next week. Have a wonderful weekend, and on Friday, on Friday, you will have the opportunity to log into week 6 ahead of time. Have a great day. Bye.